Hazrat Mirza Sultan Ahmad has done bad at my hand, and the prophecy that he mentioned at that time,
I see.
that he will be, you see.
So this explanation is authenticated now.
And the whole public was overjoyed, and Allah Akbar, Allah Akbar, I remember particularly.
But he never mentioned this at any nikah. That I'm sure.
But I remember.
Yes, that's right. Yes, please.
This question has been sent from Libya by one Iftikhar Sahib, and he says that he is puzzled about a translation in Tafsir Saghir. He says that in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 35, where it is said, وَإِذْ قُلْنَا الْمَلَائِكَةُ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ أَبَى وَاسْتَكْبَرَ وَكَانَ مِنَ الْكَافِرِينَ. The translation is done जब हमने फरिश्तों से कहा कि आदम की फरमाबरदारी करो. When we asked the angels to obey Hazrat Adam, and they did it, except Iblis, who turned away and وَكَانَ مِنَ الْكَافِرِينَ. The same verse has been repeated in Surah Bani Israel, and it's verse 62, where it is again said, وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ قَالَ أَسْجُدُ لِمَنْ خَلَقْتَ طِينًا. And the translation here has been done differently. And it says, जब हमने फरिश्तों को कहा कि तुम आदम के साथ मिलकर सजदा करो, तो उन्होंने इस हुक्म के मुताबिक आदम के साथ मिलकर सजदा किया. So in these two places, in the first place, the translation has been that they were asked to obey Adam, whereas in the second translation it is said that they prostrated along with Hazrat Adam. Why there is some sort of discrepancy between the two translations?
This word sajda can be understood in two ways. I mean, both are authentic meanings in Arabic. Number one, to obey someone, to submit oneself to someone else completely and give up his own personal power of decision in favor of that person whom he has accepted as his leader. So that total submission is called sajda in Arabic. And the Arabic dictionaries support this view. And the second is worship. Now, this word can be taken to mean either complete submission to someone or to worship someone. Now, when you translate it as complete submission, this can apply to any human being. So there is no harm done. So there you should go straight away and translate it as obey Adam, and that is quite enough. But then this is not the only meaning. If Allah meant that worship, then what would be the meaning of this verse? That has to be also to be pointed out by Hazrat Muslim Maud. So in another verse, he adopted the different attitude to solve the problem which was facing some others by accepting the translation worship and then giving his version of what Allah means. So he says, Usjudu li Adama here means obey, worship Allah, li Adama, for the sake of Adam, as he does it. He is your leader now. Previously you worshipped Allah as you pleased. But now worship Allah along with him and follow him in that worship. So in this translation, both the meanings in fact are combined here. The order would be not to worship Allah, but to worship Allah. Le Adama here would mean following Adam. So along with here means, for instance, an imam says, stands for prayer, and people say the prayer along him, but that along doesn't mean independently along. That means following him. Say your prayer along him. If he is the imam, it would mean say the prayer behind him in obedience to him. So Hazrat Muslim Maud has mentioned both these translations to indicate that this word can be translated either this way or that way, and both are correct. But when you translate it as worship, then don't say that worship Adam. Then the other meaning should be accepted, and the only meaning acceptable is that worship Allah along with Adam. That is, following him as he leads you, worship Allah. Mr. Ghulam Muhammad Sahib, Kokhar, you have another question?
Yes, sir, I have, but you have cleared my point.
I see, you had different questions on the same point.
Probably
Right.
the same question.
Right, thank you. Bashir Yad Sahib, now you can start the battle, new battle. Because the whole field is now open to you. Nobody else is there to share the time with you.
I wasn't there too, but now I have seen a pocket.
Acha. You have got another
If there is
question?
anybody
Which one?
Sent by someone who need to be answered by the Sultan.
अच्छा नहीं कौन से क्वेश्चन है हैं अब वो कल कर लेंगे All right. I think enough for the day. Tomorrow, inshallah, between Maghrib and Isha. The Maghrib prayer would be held at 4:45 instead of 4:30.
MTA International, reaching the corners of the earth.